Hi everyone, Kathy here. Welcome to my channel, Yoga by Kathy. I have a quick video for you today, great for a start to your morning or a break during the middle of your day to give you a little bit more energy and bring some mobility and movement into your body. When you're ready, we'll get started standing at the top of our mats. Remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the section below to let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see or work on in the future. Don't forget to click the notification bell to receive all of my yoga updates straight to your inbox. When you're ready, let's go. Let's make our way to standing at the top of our mats in mountain pose. So we're going to bring our big toes together, heels slightly apart. Breathing a few times, shrugging the shoulders up, inhale. As you exhale, pull the fingers down towards the floor. A few deep breaths here. Start to breathe into the belly, lifting up through the chest, drawing the fingers down. Sweep the arms up, inhale, reaching the fingers up. Interlace the fingers, press the hands together. We're going to tip side to side. So as we inhale, ground down through your feet, lift up through the fingers. Exhale, we're going to take a bend over to the right. Keep pressing down through your feet. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, push the hips to the right. We're going to lean to the left. So tick-tocking side to side. Growing tall as you breathe in and center. Exhale deeply. One more on each side. We're going to warm up the spine, taking it through all its ranges of motions. And coming back into center. Taking your hands towards your low back or sacrum area. We're going to take a deep breath in, lift the chest, push the hips forward as you exhale, gentle standing back bend. And we'll slowly come up, exhale, hinging from your hips, dive all the way down towards the floor. Taking your hands to the ground or on your shins. We're gonna bend and extend through the knees. Pedal out the feet a few times. Reaching behind it, interlace your fingers, grabbing for your fingers or wrists. Take an inhale, reach up, exhale. Bend into your knees, allow your torso to rest over the thighs. Dropping your head down, let's sway side to side. Bounce up and down a few times, release the shoulders. And take the hands down towards the floor. Inhale, look forward halfway. As we exhale, we're going to heel toe the feet to the edges of the mat. So point your toes out, heels in. We're going to drop the hips down, coming into a squat position. Bring hands towards the center. We're going to rock from side to side. Start to release the hips. Breathing into the lower body. Start to get those hips moving. And coming back to center, take the hands down, heel toe the feet back in together. Take an inhale, we're going to look forward, lifting the chest, flat back. Exhale, take the hands down, step back into a high plank. Right leg, left leg. Coming down, knees, chest, chin towards the floor. Inhale, looking forward, coming up into cobra, pressing down into the ground, lifting up through the chest and shoulders. Exhale, release, downwards facing dog. Take a moment or two here in downwards facing. Pedal out the feet. So hands are shoulder width apart, feet are hip distance. We're dropping one heel at a time towards the floor. Chest is dropping down, sit bones lifting up. We'll take an inhale, right leg up. Look forward, step that foot to the top of the mat. Left hand down, easy twist. Open that right arm to the sky. We're going to point towards our toes, stretch through the fingers, and all the way up. A few shoulder openers here, making big circles through the shoulders. Inhale, we lift. Exhale, point back all the way down. One more time. And windmill that hand back down to the floor. Step back, downwards facing dog. Let's switch sides. Left leg up. Inhale. Look forward, big step to the top of the mat. This time, keep your right hand down on the ground. We're opening up, twisting towards the left. Pointing left fingers back towards your toes. And let's do some circles here. Reverse circles, reaching the hand towards your heels. One more time. Inhale, sweep the arm up. Exhale, point back down onto the ground. We'll step back into our high plank. This time you can come down onto your knees or stay on your toes as we lower down to low plank. So shift forward, shoulders past the wrists. As we exhale, bend the elbows, keep them close to your ribs. Inhale, cobra or upwards facing dog. We lift the thighs off the floor. Exhale, downwards facing dog. From our downwards facing dog, let's take the left leg up. Big step to the top of the mat. Inhale, we're going to windmill ourselves up into a warrior 2 position. So our right toes are parallel to the back of the mat. Left toes are facing forward. We're going to take our hands to our hips, bounce a few times. So to bring some energy, firing up those legs, pressing down to the outer edges of that back right foot. Stretch your arms out to the side. Let's take an inhale, turn the palm open, reach up and back. Reverse warrior, breathing into the side of the body. Exhale, dropping the forearm down, extend to side angle, reaching actively through your fingertips. So we're looking to lengthen and strengthen the obliques as we move side to side. Let's connect the breath. So inhale, reach up and back. Exhale, come forward. One breath, one movement. Last one. Inhale, let's come up. Start to straighten out that front leg, setting for triangle pose. So great posture to stretch the hamstrings and open through the hips. So again, reaching the arms out. We're going to inhale forward, left fingers towards the left toes. As we exhale, tip from the hip, bottom hand comes down to the floor or resting on your shin. Turn the chest open so your shoulders are stacked on top of each other. Reaching the hand up, one at a time. Stretching through your fingertips. Lean the chest back. One more deep breath. Take the gaze down to the floor. We're going to walk ourselves over towards the center. Pivot so your feet are both pointing towards the front. Taking a breath in. Look forward. Stretch the spine. Exhale, we bow and fold. Wide-legged forward fold. Walk your hands back in line with your feet. Drop the chest, drop the head. Allow the weight of your body to roll forward from the heels to the toes, lifting the sit bones up a little bit higher. And let's release. Inhale, look forward halfway. Take your hands to your hips, press into the feet. Let's come up all the way to stand. Switching sides, so turn your right toes out. So our right toes are pointing to the back, our left toes are parallel to the back of the mat. So we're going to bounce a few times, bend into the knees. Find that 90-degree angle through the front knee joint. Keep pressing evenly through the front and back foot. Let's stretch the arms out. Finding warrior 2. Now let's connect 2 of these postures with our breath. So turn your palms open. Inhale, reach up and back. Exhale, come forward. Drop your forearm. Extend that top arm. Bicep close to the ears. Flip it. Breathe in. Reverse warrior. Exhale, come forward. Side angle. 2 more. Flowing with your breath. 1 breath. 1 movement. Last one. Coming up to stand. Now straighten out the front leg. This time reach the arms out. Right hand forward, left hip back. When you can't reach forward anymore, we're going to tip from the hip, drop the hand down. Grab for your shin or the floor. Turn that chest open. Stacking shoulder above shoulder, stretching into your right hamstrings. One more breath. Take the gaze down to the floor. We're going to pivot our feet one more time. This time we're going to walk over towards the left side. Drop the hip down. Come into a side lunge. Keep your weight in your hands. Keep it forward if your hips are tight. You're going to stay very high here, side to side. Slowly lower your hips down from one side to the other. So as we breathe in, we come to center. As we exhale, let's sink over towards the right side. Left ankle is going to be flexed, toes pointing up. Breathe in through center, exhale over to the left. Our right ankle is going to flex, toes point up. Keep the legs active while we focus on the hamstrings and the hips. We still want to make sure both legs are active and equally working hard here. One more breath on each side. See if you can do it without your hands holding, if that feels comfortable. And coming back into center. Heel toe the feet in, close together, and take a seat. Sitting down onto the, we're going to take our right leg out to the side, keeping the left sole of the foot to the inner thigh. Turn to face the extended leg, breathe in, sit up tall. Exhale, find a side bend, laterally folding over towards that right leg, grabbing wherever you can reach along that leg. And slowly release over to the other side. Right leg in, left leg out and extended. Sitting up tall, turn your torso to face that extended leg. And exhale, we fold. Slowly coming back up, pulling the feet in. We're going to walk the feet to the edges of the mat. Taking your hands behind, windshield wiper side to side. Dropping the knees over to the right, over to the left. And release. Let's take a deep breath in. Bring the hands together, palms down, deep exhale through the mouth. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for joining me in this quick express workout. Hope this gave you a little boost of energy to help you tackle the rest of your day. Thank you so much. Don't forget to check out my other videos here on this channel, or videos from beginners all the way to advanced classes. I'll see you next time on the mat. Namaste.